how to enable dark mode on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If you want to use your Instagram on dark mode, then Instagram does not allow you to just use Instagram in dark mode, as Instagram uses your user interface and their accessibility in order for their dark mode or light mode. So go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on the display and brightness option you see there, and then select the dark mode option you see there. And with this, as you can see, your Instagram is now in dark mode. So this is how you can enable dark mode on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.